Good morning, students. In this video lesson, we are going to discuss a very important topic. This topic name is adverbial clauses. This topic we have to discuss in the 9th class in the lesson Games and Sports, grammar topic, page number 22, as well as 10th class also, 3rd unit, page number 91. Students, what is adverbial clause? Before going to learn adverb clause, we have to learn what is adverb. Adverb means a part of speech that modifies a verb, an adjective, another adverb. Adverb clause. It is a group of words that function as an adverb in a sentence. Example: I will return home when I finish my work. Here, entire adverb clause refers to when I return home. Here, when is refers adverb of time. There are several types of adverbial clauses. Adverb of time, adverb of concession, adverb of purpose, adverb of reason, adverb of place, adverb of result, adverb of manner, adverb of comparison, adverb of condition. When the action happened or happens, adverb of time. How the action happened or happens, adverb of manner. Where the action happened or happens, adverb of place. Why the action happened or happens, adverb of reason and manner. The features of an adverb clause. It is one of the three dependent clauses. It has a subject and verb like other dependent clauses. It answers the questions how, why, where, when, to what extent, under what conditions, etc. It starts with a subordinating conjunctions. It can be placed as the beginning, in the middle, or at the end of the sentence. Example: you are safe as long as you follow the rules towards the end. Here, it starts with the conjunction as, tells us to what extent as long as, modifies the adjective safe. As long as you follow the rules towards the end, comma, you are safe. That why also we can write. Whenever we start a sentence with any adverb clause, we have to place a comma after that. For that any subordinating clause, we have to place a comma after that. Then after we should write main clause. This question number is 21 to 23 in our public examination in paper 1. Adverb of clauses usually starts with the following conjunctions: because, as, if, since, so that, as a result. Now let us see an example to combine the sentence by using as, since and because. It is very easy to use these three to combine two sentences. In these two sentences, one represents reason and another one represents result. Students, one example for you. The officer is very honest. He cannot take bribe. Students, identify the reason and result in the above sentence. Okay. In this sentence, reason is honest. Result is cannot take bribe. This officer is very honest, doing all works correctly without asking any money or any other thing. So he don't want to anything as bribe. So here the honesty is reason and cannot take bribe is a result. Now let us see an example to use as, since, because. The officer is very honest. He cannot take bribe. Here let us use as to combine these two sentences. It is simple. Use as to combine, place as before the reason sentence and make the capital letters as small and remove the full stop, makes it is comma. Now sentence with as. As the officer is honest, he cannot take bribe. Second one. Let us use since to combine the given sentence. It is easy as we have used as. Now the sentence with since is, since the officer is honest, he cannot take bribe. Third one. Let us use because to combine the given sentences. While we use because, first write the result sentence, put because at the middle and write the reason sentence after because. Now the sentence with because is, he cannot take bribe because the officer is very honest. Students, combine the sentence by using as, since, because for every question. Thank you all.